Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. It's Holly and KK. Today our self-care related item is our Stickii sticker subscription, because how can stickers not make you smile? Plus, I like to use the stickers in my journals and in my planner. And KK, of course, loves stickers, because what little girl doesn't? So let's see what we got. So
milkshake.
Here is our March. We got the cute pack, and their theme this month is Yummy in My Tummy.
Can we share this?
So it says Yummy in My Tummy.
Can we share them? How about we see? Take some out. So these are so cute. These are unicorns. We gotta keep them secret from Kira though. Anyway. Moving on.
Totally adorable.
These are mine. They are like food, and I'm crazy with food.
They're yummy in my tummy. It's supposed to be all kinds of food.
Next, oh my gosh, I need some of these. I need that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one.
Show them to everybody.
So these are macaroon puppies and stuff, and I'm taking all the kitties in boxes.
She's a crazy cat girl.
You may not see my room. We are not going that far. So these are cool popsicles with sunglasses. So I call them the cool crew. Cool crew. Bum, 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 bum.
And we have some more food. All right. Some more food stickers.
Duh, you said it was yummy in my tummy.
Oh, here's sushi.
Yeah.
Sushi stickers.
And then these are little ones. I think I'm not sure.
I'll have to open them up, and I will post a picture at the end of the video of all of those. And here are some sticky notes. They are super adorbs. And then we have an embroidered sticker of a little boba tea. I love some boba tea. And this totally cute little cupcake paper clip. And that is it. I love this subscription. It is, I think it's either $10 or $11 a month plus $1 shipping. I will put the price details down in the comments, in the notes for you to see, along with a link if you are interested in signing up. If you like seeing unboxings of fun self-care related items, which at least what we consider self-care, then give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye. She's trying to steal all my stickers. They're mine.
No, they're not.